This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make an exquisite drink and show you how to utilize Malibu coconut rum in their version of the classic Pina Colada. This is the Malibu Piña Colada. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Don't leave me, guys. Stick with me, and you'll always get those notifications for the next video in your inbox. It's an extremely simple way to make a pina colada. This is exceptionally nice because it's a lower in ABV, which means you can drink it for a lot longer. As usual, we're going to be making two drinks. Never drink alone, always drink responsibly. We're going to shake this version of the pina colada. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the bottom part of our shaker. We're going to start adding some ingredients. First of all, we want some good quality pineapple juice. If you can juice your own pineapple at home, even better. And we're going to want to put 75 mils per drink. So here, we're gonna go in with, that's a 50, and then boom. So we got 150 mils altogether. Next up, per drink, we're gonna put 25 mil of coconut cream. You can use coconut milk, but I would suggest using coconut cream because it's got that little bit of sweetness in there as well. If you're gonna use coconut milk, you may wanna add a little bit of sugar to your drink, but just try it, taste it, see what you think. We wanna add 25 mils per drink, so that's a good 50 ml slog there. And then last but not least, the star of the show, Malibu light coconut rum. And we're gonna want 55 mils of Malibu coconut rum per drink. It's a little bit lower in ABV than normal rum, so we can add a little bit more to it. Next up, we wanna ice up this and get ready for a big shake. Ooh, looks good. Next up, we want to ice up our glasses. Nice. Get all the ice in there. You want to pack it right to the top. Take your Hawthorne strainer and then get ready to pour that lovely, sweet pineapple and coconut concoction. Get your little metal straws, pop them in. And then let's garnish this with a nice pineapple wedge. It's cheesy, it's 80s, but that is exactly what the Pina Colada is. Don't worry too much about trying to be too classy. Just get involved and drink it. It's a beautiful drink, the Malibu Piña Colada. Let's have a taste. Rum, pineapple, coconut. That's all you need to taste in a pina colada. The Malibu Piña Colada, guys. Tack.